Good morning, everyone. Brandon Hardison for Champion Strategies, along with Shopsmartautos. For those consumers out there who want to know what's going on in the automotive industry and giving you a few tips on that. So let's get to it. Today, we want to just remind you that it's been a few months now, and the automotive industry was really on the ropes, just like a whole lot of people and industries, really for this disaster called this COVID-19. As it spread, automotive plants shut down, car sales plunged, but the industry is starting to breathe a lot easier. Factories are churning out trucks and sport utility vehicles, with many of the plants nearly back to the production level before the pandemic took hold. Now, while some factory workers have tested positive for the coronavirus, automakers have repeated no major outbreaks, and that's a good thing. Perhaps the most important is that vehicle sales have picked up more than any other executive in our industry or outside as expected. By the end of March, end of April, end of May, people were saying doomsday. But you, the consumer, I'm here to let you know that June was tremendous and well on record pace, which means for you, the manufacturers are still looking to do some great deals. All you need to do is find a dealership that you like, trust, and respect. If they do have something that you can do online and you want to stay away from the dealership, fine. Or maybe you have that reputable dealership that you've dealt with in the past. They'll be glad to do business with you now. A rebound in the industry would probably help out the economy. It's the nation's largest manufacturing sector, and it employs a lot of people and vendors in this space. So that said, auto sales will drop a little bit this year, more than what most people had anticipated. But by our research, new vehicles will still come to around 13 million. Experts worry that a surge in the virus in certain states might hurt this. I'm not here to read the future. All I do know is that more than 20 million Americans were out of work for May. So according to the Labor Department and other departments, unlikelihood for new vehicles may not be there. But keep in mind that rental companies have added to the used car buying market, and there's vehicles, fleet, that have turned in now for opportunities to you. So we will be checking and staying on top of this as we get to the fall, because we're almost through with July here, and August will be around the corner. So we don't know yet, but they're not on the ropes, which means a good thing for you as a buyer, whether it's new, whether it's used, whether it's certified pre-owned. So I need you to make sure that you check and continue to do your due diligence on the research, and we all win. Once again, Brandon Hardison for Shopsmartautos and Champion Strategies, saying, as always, imparting, make it a champion.